Hello and welcome to this Forex Preview at XM.com. I'm Maria Bashardis, and joining me is Senior Investment Analyst Rafi Boyajan. We'll be discussing upcoming Japanese data and the outlook for the yen. So Rafi, on Thursday we'll get October retail sales numbers out of Japan. Now, given that almost 2 months ago on October 1st, Japan raised the national sales tax from 8 to 10%, are we expecting a big drop in retail sales? And if so, how is the Bank of Japan likely to react?
Well, we are expecting a significant pullback in retail sales in October. That's partly going to be due to the fact that in September, we did see a surge in retail spending as consumers rushed to the shops ahead of the planned sales tax increase. Now, the October data is likely to be skewed also by the fact that Japan was hit by typhoon in October, which would have further made things worse for retailers. And Japan's Chain Store Association is saying that supermarket sales were down by 4.1% in October. So definitely we're expecting an impact. But one poll by Reuters suggests that the majority of businesses don't think the impact was quite as severe as it was when the previous sales tax increase took effect 5 years ago. And if that is indeed the case, that may give the Bank of Japan some time to assess the situation before stepping in to see whether the economy needs additional support.
I see. So taking all this into consideration, what's the outlook for the yen?
Well, the yen is mainly being driven by the trade war headlines. At the moment, it's being pressured by the positive news that that China and the US are very close to agreeing to a phase 1 trade deal. Now, if the retail sales numbers disappoint, that may pressure the yen further, because it would increase expectation that the Bank of Japan might need to step in to provide additional stimulus. On the other hand, if the data is more or less in line with expectations, or perhaps even better, then we're not expecting to see a huge reaction in the Japanese yen, and the trade war story will continue to drive the safe haven currency. But of course, let's not forget that even if consumers prove to be resilient, manufacturers are still suffering the pain from the ongoing trade war. We're going to be getting preliminary industrial output numbers this week as well. So even if the sales tax increase doesn't force the Bank of Japan to provide additional stimulus, the door will remain wide open for further policy easing as long as this trade war story is dragging on.
Rafi, thanks so much for joining me, and thanks for watching at XM.com.